Hello.
Hindi, ikaw munang sumagot. Anong pakiramdam? Kasi nakita mo yung collab team mo, may ibang kasama na nagpo-promote ng kanta.
It's okay. I support her in her career. It's not gonna destroy what we have at the end of the day. So I'm just really happy for her now. She's exploring her music more, and I'm really happy for the collab. And I'm just really excited for her. And yeah, it doesn't destroy what we both have at the end of the day. So that's my take on it. Thank you.
Aubrey, ano masasabi mo doon?
Yeah, katulad po, agree naman ako sinabi niya. Like, sobrang supportive po nila sa akin since day one. Lalo na pagdating sa music ko, kasi ito talaga yung first love ko, yung pagkanta. And yeah, hindi lang niya pinapakita, not just online, but you know, nandyan yung support niya sa akin and kay Day One sa music career namin. So thank you.
Aubrey, may follow-up lang ako sa'yo ha. Granting lang, sabay naman ligaw sa'yo si Lance at saka si Daewon Lee. Sinong pipiliin mo sa dalawa?
Wait, kung if ever lang po, like, hypothetical naman.
Yes,
po.
yes.
Okay. Kinakabahan. Well, see, I don't think na meron kaming chance ni Day One because parang I know him. Like,
Oh, napapatango siya sa likod.
no, because mas matagal siguro yung friendship na nabuo namin, and I think maybe Lance. Pero, yeah.
Mamimili ka lang, anyo ha sa'yo or maayong buntag sa imo?
Maayong buntag. Yeah. Thank you po.
Okay. Punta muna ako kasi karamihan ng mga tanong kasi naka-center kayo. Of course, may tanong din sana ako sa inyo, pero alam ko marami magtatanong. Dito muna sa the rest of the other pairs. Mukhang si Jairus na lang at saka si Nicole ang wala pang parang launching TV series. Is it underway na hindi pa lang namin alam? O anong pakiramdam na syempre lahat ng mga kasama na ninyo is na-launch na?
Yung like what I've said earlier, yung sa amin ni Nicole, our book is after Wilbert and Bea. So after nung sa kanila, which is the last book, so kami naman ni Nicole, yung Our Yesterday's Escape. Yes.
Wow, nakakatuwa naman. Marco, kumusta ka na? Kumusta na ang takbo ng puso mo ngayon?
Okay naman po. Masayang masaya. Nakikita niyo naman, alagang-alaga ako ng The Boys, oh. Yeah. How are you?
I'm good, anak.
Yes po.
Is there a possibility na muli kayong magkabalikan?
Tita, hindi ko na po alam kung anong gagawin ko bukas, so hindi ko talaga alam. I don't know. Yeah. Let fate decide. I honestly don't know. I'm just enjoying life at the moment.
Okay.
Ano mo? Oh! Yeah! Come on, guys.
Kay Gab naman, syempre si Haya. Kumusta na kayong dalawa?
We're good naman po.
Nasaan level na ang pagiging magkaibigan niyo?
We've gotten really close since in the beginning. Siyempre, nag-start kami nung we barely have scenes. Now we made like 3 or 4 shows together, and I'm just glad na she's my love team.
How are we doing? Yeah. I'm doing.
Bakit napapatingin ka sa likod? Ako yung tatanong, nandito kami sa harapan.
Yeah, as Gab said, we're very comfortable with each other now, especially compared to when we first met and started working, of course. It's really nice to learn so much about someone throughout doing so many projects together, and I look forward to doing more.
Risha, solo flight ka ngayon.
Hi po.
Kumusta naman kayo ni Jet?
Okay na po, we're still working together for another show naman sa TV5, if I'm allowed to say that. So, ayun. Very busy person po ngayon si Jerome. Yes.
O iniiwan ka dito, no?
No, he's working.
Oh, he's working.
Yes.
Okay.